Welcome back to the Sons of the Forest. The story continues. Was there another path branching here, or is this just a dead
I
end?
didn't see any. But I just heard one of those whales.
Who knows?
Trouble. Maybe I can stab people with it.
Yeah, no, just go away, people.
They said no. I'm in the water. I forgot about the water.
How'd you forget about the water? It had the most amount of enemies we've ever seen in one place.
No, I didn't forget about the enemies. I just forgot about the water part.
That's what we used to kill them all.
Not all of them, just most of them.
99.9%. You killed like one without. Oh yeah, all the items have respawned up here for me, like all the money.
Huh. I did not notice this before.
Notice what? What?
Over here.
I'm looking at... Oh, the person.
The two people.
I only see one.
Turn around.
Oh, never mind. The people, like, crystallized and whatever the hell this is dripping from the ceiling. Hey, the loot might be instanced or I'm getting all the stuff again, but, at least the enemies aren't.
Yeah, it would really suck for you. I'd just be standing around. Oh, you're being attacked? That's tragic for you.
Jackass. Jeez.
Here, let me throw a bomb. That might help. Oh, wait, I'm out of bombs.
Again?
And you know, I can't help but wonder if they have a pinky in this one.
Oh, God. Please no. Those were so annoying to deal with. I'm also wondering, how are we supposed to get out?
That's the way we got in.
You remember that we slid down a zip line and then fell quite a ways.
I know. Oh! Hey, there's another way now.
Oh, so I take it that was... Yeah, I knew it. There was no other way for us to go. Ooh, stuff.
Yeah, I don't... Oh, hey. I have a grenade now.
Want me to get him or are you gonna get him?
I'll get him. Pop goes the weasel.
So is those things just digging underground around us all the time?
That's a terrifying thought.
Yeah, because you notice that's always the one that's stuck trying to break through rocks. This mound of flesh and arms.
And teeth.
Oh, get me going! Come back. Babies. Do 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 do.
I'm down.
They all went flying past you. Oh. Where'd it go? Is that it?
That's up there.
I'm just gonna keep using the spear. If I use anything else, I end up beating you to death.
You beat me to death without the spear.
It limits the chances of me beating you to death. That was kind of hilarious watching you go down and then all of a sudden, boom!
Have fun.
Nope.
One thing I have noticed, it actually
Behind
does
you.
deafen your hearing.
Behind you. Oh, never mind.
Oh, it is behind me.
Well, it was. It leaped in front of you.
You know what I'm curious about now?
What?
Are the babies of the ones that are digging?
Possibly.
Because this is a lot of babies behind it.
True! And it was last time we had one of these, too. Oh, God.
It's not water, I can tell you that.
I kind of figured it wasn't, and you just, like, ran on in there.
I was thinking, because literally for me, it does not look like there's any water there. Literally, it looks like there's just clear.
I think this is out.
Exit.
Yeah, I think it's because you turned your graphics down because of the meltdowns you were having. Uh-oh. What? I'm wedged. Okay. I don't like this opening. It is way too tight.
And free. Yeah, you would never have seen that one.
Seen what one? This cave entrance?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, motherfucker.
Oh, hello.
I condemn you to down the stream.
Holy.
What? Is that Kelvin? What
Yeah,
is...
that's Kelvin. He doesn't listen to it, does he?
No. I thought you told him to take a break. I don't know how to get home. Ooh, we could go to any of the green markers now. That's the dig spots.
Yeah. We'll go to the nearest one, because considering Janet is over there. Threatening.
Whatever you want to call her. I know she has an actual game name. I don't remember what it is anymore.
Number 3?
Oh, that entrance was not far from the other one. I didn't realize this.
Mm.
We didn't go very far for as much as we traveled.
I mean, to be fair, it was a relatively small cave.
I mean, we did a lot of shit down there.
No, there's a lot of shit in there. The cave itself wasn't that big. A lot of it was just essentially down.
True. Still thought I traveled further than that. Sure as fuck felt like it.
And save me!
Huh? Oh.
Skyrim for the win!
No damage! Yeah! I take it you were hoping there was something here, didn't you?
I mean, it's a fairly standard thing. Cliche, yes, but standard.
I've heard so many people complain about that, like, through art, because there's, like, so many of them that you can go behind and there's something there. But then when there isn't, they get all pissed.
Home sweet home.
I didn't realize that's how close we were. Is there a way we could put a marker that's permanent at our damn house?
We can.
Because I literally had no idea where the fuck we were.
I did.
I didn't.
I know you didn't.
No, you don't. Now you do.
What's that? Throw a grenade at my feet?
Please do.
That'd be hilarious, especially since you're right here.
I mean, if I go, you go. We're that close.
I have armor.
Shut up. Baby's whittled mine away. Here we are. I know there's some crates around here too. There it is.
There's something there.
Oh, can you deal with whatever that is?
Poke you to death with my shovel.
Ow! I'm stuck in a digging thing. Stop it! This is just a poke, 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 poke. I'm gonna die.
I'm almost dead.
You could sneeze on me and I'd die.
Oh, don't attract their attention, that's true.
Who's coming?
Hopefully no one. Shit.
They're coming, aren't they?
Yes.
Oh, that hurt.
That's a new one.
Yeah, the ones that worship blood or whatever, they were in the first one.
I think that's like the new pinky.
I have several of these. Fire! I hate the fact that you moved the moment I threw it. I will use all of my Molotovs. Go away. Uh-oh.
I'm done. Lay down.
No, you're not.
You're laying down.
Well, I killed two of the big ones, and it looks like all the little guys might have ran away for now. No, they're not far. I can see them over by the water. And over there. And over there. Okay.
Yeah, so that person basically just did a body slam on you.
Yeah. Keep a lookout while I, do this.
Yeah, sure, I'll keep a lookout.
This takes a bit.
Yeah. Yeah, looks like they fucked off.
Nice. This is actually legit digging.
I have no idea what you're digging up, by the way.
No, neither do I. I'm just digging.
I was kind of covering it.
Yeah, you can see an area that's revealed. It looks like concrete. You just kind of hold the button down and walk around until it starts digging. I'm picking up rocks and coins right now. And before anybody complains, yes, we're clueless. We don't know what was going on at all.
Oh!
It's a hatch, isn't it?
It's a hatch.
You just have to get all of it cleared.
Yeah, when it comes to like stuff like this, we do tend to try to stay blind.
Yeah, we do our best. Why learn the best way to do it when you should at least, play it once and experience it the way it's meant to? The snow is very frustrating for this. No,
once you actually dig it up.
You see what I mean? It's like clunk, and I'm like, oh, I thought I had more to go there. I threw it at you, or it throws the dirt.
Lag.
Well, I think it just, yeah, it opened it. Maintenance A. I don't know if you're seeing this.
No.
Well, cool. I'll have the footage. The door's a little stuck. There we go.
So I'm coming down with
Oh,
you.
dear God, it's dark.
Yes, it is. I already don't like this.
Ooh, box! Cereal!
Crunchy munchies. Gun ammo. Lovely.
You know, I love how all these guys are wandering around with, you know, ammo for guns, but not guns. Is that a Roomba?
It's a Roomba. Where'd it go?
I flipped it over in my screen.
I hear a radio.
Me too.
It's not a radio.
No?
No, it's a PA system.
Oh, I know what's in here. From the little bit I've seen, I know what's in here.
Bad.
It's the resin for the printer. You can print items right here at the computer. I don't know what you'd print. What's this? Laser sight collected. Can I put... Oh, I probably should read this.
I would, but it's all blurry for me.
Someone's collection went missing. Some lady's collection.
Ooh, man's keycard.
Nice. So somewhere else that we haven't been. A little bit of food in the fridge. What did you... I want one too. I hate you. You just made me waste my resin on something I don't need.
That was not some resin, so... Spooky.
Supposedly, if you wear like certain masks, certain tribes will leave you alone or some shit. How do I...
Ooh.
Sled.
Sled?
I'll take two. We're gonna be here for a bit.
Yeah, probably.
And there's still more down the hallway to go. Hey, can we just move our whole house into here?
I mean, honestly, why not?
if we
There's a bed in here.
If we could build, I would do that. Okay, yeah, the sled takes a while.
Oh. Oh dear.
Oh. What the fuck happened? It must have been one of the maintenance people, but what happened to you? I'm guessing something got out that ate flesh. Like, not like cannibal ate. Is the thing done yet? If it did, print another one.
You needed more ink.
Oh.
I also got a book.
Where'd you get a book at?
It was in there. I know what it's for.
And got another sled going for you. I didn't find a book when I was in here that I saw at least. I might have picked it up and didn't notice. I do this shit too much. I have no reflection!
I need more ink.
Oh, that sucks.
Hey, I used all my ink for you. So.
And you made me make parts that I didn't want. I know exactly where more ink is, because there were some of the boxes up here that we couldn't pick up. And these Roombas must hate their life. Why are you pulled out the thing?
I did, not on purpose.
Yep, there was 200 printer ink sitting up here. Where we just came in.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, there's babies in here. They're coming in the room. Ow! Let me in! You... Can we close the door? Did you finish your sled already?
Yeah, pick it up too.
God damn it, I want to make stuff too.
Tech mesh. Tech mesh.
Yeah, but I also want to make the things that I can't get anywhere. Like that and the flask. I don't really know what tech armor does for you. Armor in this game's always kind of been shit. Yeah, there's still more babies coming in, by the way.
Let's find out.
Flask. It looks interesting. It literally just looks like a mesh thing with Christmas lights on it. No, the mirror doesn't work.
Save.
Oh, God, get out of my room!
Oh, hey, look, a flask.
Just take it. I'll make another one.
Okay.
So we both have one. Can we take the 3D printer home? We can make Kelvin run on a windmill to, you know, make power like a gerbil. Okay. Grappling hook, slab, arrows. I wonder if those arrows are something special. They don't look like it. I'm gonna make more mesh.
Oh, there could be like the carbon fiber ones.
True. Oh, yeah. That's the last of my ink. Unless you have.
Yeah. I didn't know, I think.
The
I
sled.
think
I think the sled took most of it.
Yeah.
Oh well. I tried to make more. That was all I can do. I'll make some tech. Where's the tech stuff in your inventory? There it is.
Yeah, it's over by your,
I found it.
Hmm.
What is that? Electronics and battery? I'm gonna just hold on to mine. I'm gonna pile up some of that. Oh, I need food.
God damn it. Also, there's Firefighter Axe in here.
There's a what?
Firefighter's Axe?
Oh, nice. A lot of booze too, and drills.
Because it just works. God damn it. I don't know if you know that reference.
I don't think I do.
Todd Howard.
I
It
don't.
just works.
Where's the firefighter axe in here? Am I blind? Where was the axe in here?
You are blind.
Oh, I am blind. I'm looking on the floor. I'm a little annoyed all this booze here and I can't drink it. Look, I got more ink. Here, printer, take it. And
I put in I found in there too.
it won't even have enough. It'll be 50 short. Oh well, we'll get more. That is kind of cool. I'm gonna pile up some tech armor for like the final boss kind of thing. But hey, let's go to the other green dots, I guess. Oh, I'm gonna go save after we did all that and make sure I have everything.
I'm going out. It's very bright up here. It's very not safe up here.
Why do you say that?
Why don't you come up here and find out?
How about you piss off and do it yourself? I love it when I click inventory and it just doesn't work.
Mm-hmm. What you gonna do, huh? Huh? You spine up and actually go around it, huh?
Oh god. Hi, big guy. He literally just turned and just went whap.
His head's gone.
Yeah, I knocked him over with the.
He's pretty mindless.
Oh my god.
Hi, Kevin.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a job. Go fill the stick holder.
You're not too far away from it.
Yep. I was hoping I could just do it from here. You know? And just send him home to go fill the thing.
Never.
Since he seems to be pretty worthless and doesn't want to hide, he just kind of here. Anyways, next green thing.
I'm already going towards it.
Me too.
But I went to here real quick.
My health's fine. It's just the energy-wise, it's horrible.
He almost hit you.
Again? I love how I say my health is good, and then you just go quap and take half of it.
Well, I just wanted, you know, make you into a liar and all that.
You fucking jackass. How do I deal with you?
I'm one of your only friends?
Only? That's a lie.
You're right. I am your only friend.
Oh, hey, we walked past it. Or no, we didn't. It's still showing the old one. It
Yeah.
didn't. Okay, I was confused.
I could tell.
Meh.
Goodbye, dear. Hello, dear.
Oh, there was a laser sight somewhere in there, if I remember right, we picked up too. Person.
Yes. Running.
What, you don't want to kill everything?
Nah, not that. Echo.
We still gotta go get you your damn 9mm again. I hate the fact that echoed. It's not my recording, it's this moron with the walkie-talkie.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I can see you. Ow!
I think his head is gone.
Can you put that damn thing away? Skin pouch.
Oh, hello.
Hi, big guy.
I almost ran into a big guy.
I saw him. And what I've learned of them, they chase you. And they don't seem to like to quit most of the time. Yeah, he's behind us.
Oh yeah, I think there used to be a camp over here.
Yeah. Make noise.
Wait.
Get out of inventory, god damn it. Oh, I'm still wearing rebreather.
I am too. No, I'm pretty sure it is just this cave.
Oh, he's pointing at something. Oh.
That is scary.
Ow! Fuck you. Die. Oh, fuck it. Cave. I'm going in.
Especially since this isn't one that's marked by cave icon.
Yeah, I think they only mark the ones that are like starting story to try to get you to go to the ones that you have to do first. You know, because we can't really do much without all the, you know. That is not what I wanted. Why? No. God, I just wanted to eat food. I tried to put fucking food in my character's belly.
Oh.
Literally clicked to eat, and it's like, oh, you wanted to pull out build book?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, I was right.
Whoa.
It is the cave.
Nah, you were wrong. Another maintenance hatch?
I think this one's in landing.
Uh-oh, I froze. Oh, God. Enemies in here this time?
There's food. And probably.
I found cereal.
I got oysters.
I got a couple of those, but I don't even know where you normally get them.
Hey! The key card we got, it worked over here.
There's a lot more stuff in the middle of the room, food-wise. I think there's berries and stuff.
And email, which I can't read because it's all blurry for me.
You just have to wait a little bit for it to do it.
I have.
And also, fucking light, go away. Thought this might find this interesting. Calling the artifact one might be related in the cube you guys found.
Hey!
It's showing the artifact.
Items right here.
What? I already picked up those. What were they?
The brain bites and steak bites?
Oh, I just picked them up. I didn't even read what they were.
Oh. Yeah, no, brain bite, bacon bite, and steak bite.
Oh. Oh!
That worries me a little.
There's an arrow over here in the corner, a crossbow bolt stuck in this guy's head. Anything? Oh, this worries me. You see what's in the freezer?
Nothing?
Well, people dangling. Oh, steak bites. More on the fucking shelf here. Ugh.
But there was something through here.
Yeah, I figured. I was just hitting all the other shit first. I like how soon as I get so close to these bushes, they're like dying. Someone's been here recently because, you know, the generator's running.
I see babies.
I kind of figured. This is obvious where they get all the food for the facilities. Apparently, nobody's operating anymore.
More arrows. Ooh! Crossbow.
Really? Oh, nice. Where is that located? I want to use you. That's probably what the arrows are that the thing makes. It's probably for the crossbow, because I doubt you can just craft those arrows.
Oh, there it is. Top left.
Yeah, I found it. There's a lot of just people dead from crossbow in here.
I want to check something.
There's a big guy in here.
Laser sights.
You realize you're in your inventory and there's a big guy like an inch away from you this whole time.
Yeah, so I was checking laser sight.
I don't see the point. Where's your ink? Nice pile of bodies.
I do believe this is water.
It is. You're pinning me in the corner. Alright, cool. I can move now. Oh look! A shark!
Oh, look, electricity.
Yeah, that is a little concerning. Actually more concerning than the shark would be. What the hell did they do? Leave the pump on to water the plants on a little too long? That should be funny if that's the reason this is flooded. Because everyone's dead and the pump was running. Yeah, I honestly think the story of this game landed before the facility fully fell, and this is like in the middle of it.
Possibly. I'm just happy there's nothing underneath the water.
Shut up. Hate you. Oh, there's a side door here.
Mm-hmm. I don't want to see if we can open this one. Nope.
Is there anything up
We'll
there?
get that for that way.
Anything
We
up
have
there?
to go this way. We'll get on the key card for that one.
Was there anything up there, though?
Not for much, though.
Okay. Seems like nothing's here at all so far.
Document.
Oh, another key card. It's for... Oh, that's the name of the mutant, by the way, is Virginia, and this is her key card.
Oh, so also look at the screens.
One more of Artifact 2. They think it's related to the cube.
Oh.
Is this just playing a replay of what happened?
Mm-hmm.
So as everybody was fine, then all of a sudden twitchy? And just started turning?
Mm-hmm.
So I take it something went wrong with their testing with these artifacts.
More than likely.
Something went very, very, very wrong.
What's interesting is how it looks like they like split into
Yeah,
multiple of them.
I noticed that. So that should tell us our rescue mission is a dud. We can rescue
Yeah.
Virginia.
Sort of.
I mean, kind of. She still like has enough of her cognitive ability to not be these things.
Yeah.
Oh, you left. I hate you. I'm sitting here watching this over and over and over again, talking to you. You fucking took off.
Oh! I'll wait for you.
No, you can handle it because you abandoned me. Fucker.
I mean, okay, I'll get all the content.
What content? Oh. Well, I don't need the flashlight anymore. Also, we both have a rebreather on right now.
Yeah, this doesn't look pleasant.
So this is all the ones that turn that were probably trapped in here and just starved to death?
No. I think they're all just the ones that didn't survive.
Well, I collected
Yeah,
I
thing I
collected a
can't
dress.
read.
I collected a dress. I'm gonna go
Got
get...
another thing that came over here.
I'm coming. Oh my.
I told.
I saw the other ones. I didn't see that one.
How can you not see that
Oh,
one?
I ate the bacon bite. Didn't even mean to. Alright. We have wasted another full afternoon and still have been unable to find any trace of the golf balls. This is entirely unacceptable. Additionally, not getting any response on any of these emails is extremely unprofessional. Neither me or myself or my brother are happy with how we are being treated. Miles Goldstein. So they're complaining about their golf balls because they're a bunch of rich pricks.
Sounds about right.
Not realizing the world for them was about to end. Notice how this door's barricaded.
Notice all these windows are broken.
Yeah. I noticed a lot of things. Oh.
Oh, this is terrifying.
Is that just darkness?
That's just water.
Hold on. Huh. Well, anything else in this place before we leave?
Not from what I saw.
I really don't want to leave. You can tell neither one of us want to go in this.
It's very dark down here.
No, really? I couldn't tell.
I think I found the way.
Me too.
If the lag spike was any indication.
So, the question is that something breaking into the glass or breaking out?
Breaking in. Because you can see glass on the inside of it.
And they're complaining about their golf balls.
Obviously, the golf balls want to come in. Oh, we have a friend.
Oh, that one. Baby.
Baby.
Uh-oh. Hi.
Baby.
I have no help.
Baby. Yeah, there's more babies.
Excuse me while I nourish myself. So they were eating brain bites. What the fuck? I don't know whether to be grossed out or concerned. Alright. I sometimes hate having to make Molotovs. And these guys really like vodka. That seems like all they have here.
Hey, do you have a nice too?
I'm not even over by you. I've been over here crafting the whole time. Literally just sitting here crafting everything I can. I need that. Okay. I made as many bombs as I could. I got a lot of coins back there. Oh. Okay, I hear the noise now.
I guess that's not just me.
I was waiting. I was like, I don't hear anything. I don't think I hear anything. Drink an energy drink.
I slept.
Me too.
Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
I don't think I want to catch you.
She's dead.
Funny part is, sometimes I can't tell if the baby's alive or dead, then I watch it all of a sudden turn and charge you. Okay, there's something down here. And I don't like it.
It's okay, we can do it. Unless it's fun of us, so we stumbled across it again.
Yeah, how we did the last time, we weren't prepared whatsoever. That did not go well.
No, that's it.
Let me out! Nah, it goes right into, like, the main fucking structure of the base. Besides,
Fuck.